So I'm going to show you exactly how you can log out of your YouTube account on your mobile device, so you want to keep on watching. So just first go on your YouTube, and then immediately click on your channel on the top right corner, and then you want to click on the arrow button. And then right here, you want to select which account you want to remove. In this case, I want to remove my GLM whatever HEMF. So I'm going to click on Manage Accounts at the bottom, and then just click on Google. And then now from here, you want to find that Gmail that you were trying to log out. In this case, you should probably only have like one or two, but I, for some weird reason, have a crap ton of YouTube accounts. So right here, this is the one. And then once you clicked on it, you just click on the triple dot icon on the top right corner, and then click Remove Account. Remove Account seems good. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Remove Account. There you go. And then now if you go back, so as you can see, it has just automatically logged out, and now I am back in my main channel.